Are you Woody? Hey, Little Bo Peep. What are you going for? Ooh, fun. Oh, you want to be Little Bo Peep, huh? Right here.
There should be one.
Should she be Little Bo Peep?
Okay, a Little Bo Peep.
Aw, Little Bo Peep. Lost her sheep. Charlotte liked that song, Emmy. Little Bo Peep who lost her sheep and didn't know where to find them. Charlie, do you know that your sister is Buzz Lightyear? Buzz.
And do you want to be the magic? After you grow up a little bit, you can wear this.
Ooh, what kind of person is this?
This is a pink and black and white. This is a pink. This is a pink Buzz Lightyear.
Oh, it's like a pink, like spaceship person?
Yep.
Do you want to try it on?